What if I told you Apple is just weeks away from dropping a desktop computer so powerful and compact that it will make machines triple its price look completely obsolete? Welcome back to Tap Tech. Today, we have earth-shattering supply chain leaks regarding the imminent 2026 Apple Mac Mini M5. What Apple is finalizing behind closed doors is rewriting the rules of desktop computing. We are diving deep into the massive leap in AI processing, a secret manufacturing shift, and why this invisible box is going to be the ultimate Mac Studio killer. If you want a future-proof setup, you cannot afford to skip a single second. Let us kick things off with the absolute powerhouse inside this new machine, the M5 and M5 Pro Silicon. For years, the Mac Mini was just the budget entry-level Mac. That narrative is totally dead. The base M5 chip is reportedly being fabricated on TSMC's next-generation node, pushing the boundaries of 3nm technology. This means Apple packed billions more transistors into a microscopic footprint, delivering significantly higher clock speeds without drawing extra power or creating excessive heat. While CPU multicore scores are seeing a solid 20% increase, raw processing is not even the star of the show. Apple is heavily prioritizing graphics. Supply chain leaks confirm a redesigned GPU architecture delivering up to a 40% leap in graphics output compared to the previous generation. We are talking about desktop-class gaming, heavy 3D rendering in Blender, and real-time color grading of raw 8K video on a base model computer that literally fits in the palm of your hand. If you are a serious power user, the standard M5 is just the appetizer. The real monster lurking in the shadows is the heavily rumored M5 Pro. Leaks point to a highly optimized core architecture for the Pro tier that radically increases multi-threaded performance for demanding professional workflows. The reports describe a lethal layout combining high-performance supercores dedicated to crushing heavy tasks, paired with next-generation efficiency cores handling background processes with zero power draw. Whether compiling massive codebases, running multiple virtual machines simultaneously, or rendering complex visual effects, the M5 Pro is designed to chew through it without dropping a single frame. Benchmark whispers suggest this tiny chip is aggressively nipping at the heels of the M2 Ultra. A processor that powered the massive Mac Pro just a couple of years ago is now rivaled by a desktop the size of a lunchbox. We need to talk about the elephant in the room, artificial intelligence. It is 2026, and AI is deeply integrated into macOS. Apple Intelligence is expanding rapidly, and the M5 architecture has been custom-built from the ground up to handle massive AI workloads entirely on-device, prioritizing privacy and unthrottled speed. The dedicated neural engine accelerators inside the M5 are an absolute game-changer. Functions like local image generation, running complex large language models natively, and real-time video upscaling are drastically faster than on the M4. You will not have to rely on laggy cloud servers, pay exorbitant monthly subscription fees to third parties, or worry about sensitive data being compromised. Your new Mac Mini will effectively act as a localized AI supercomputer sitting quietly right on your desk. Moving away from the silicon, let us talk about the physical design and silent connectivity upgrades Apple is sneaking into this chassis. Apple recently gave the Mac Mini a massive physical facelift, reducing the footprint to an incredibly tiny 5x5-inch square enclosure. Because that redesign is fresh, Apple is keeping the sleek external housing. It retains the highly convenient front port selection, 2 USB-C ports and a front-facing headphone jack, an absolute lifesaver for creators and musicians. Around the back, you will find the standard HDMI port, Gigabit Ethernet, and 3 more ports. Here is the massive upgrade for premium users. While the standard M5 model will feature Thunderbolt 4, the M5 Pro configuration is making the highly anticipated leap to Thunderbolt 5. Delivering an astronomical 120 gigabits per second of bidirectional bandwidth, you can run multiple ultra-high-resolution displays at high refresh rates, and edit raw video directly off an external solid-state drive array without any bottlenecks. Speaking of storage and memory, Apple is listening to its pro consumer base in a huge way. The days of 8 GB of RAM are long gone. The base M5 model will firmly start at 16 GB of unified memory, with options to configure up to 32 GB. The M5 Pro models will likely start at an impressive 24 GB and allow you to configure all the way up to a staggering 64 GB of RAM. The 2026 Mac Mini M5 is heavily rumored to dish the 256 GB entry point, starting with a spacious 512 GB solid-state drive right out of the box. This features a vastly improved architecture maximizing read and write speeds. Plus, Apple is upgrading wireless connectivity to feature Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 across the board, ensuring zero latency for wireless peripherals and fully maxed-out internet speeds for incredibly fast large file transfers. How are they keeping this absolute powerhouse from melting into a puddle of molten aluminum on your desk? Apple's thermal management system for this tiny 5x5-inch enclosure is brilliant engineering. The secret lies in a sophisticated system of internal thermal pillars and a completely redesigned airflow path. It pulls cool ambient air directly from the base, passes it over the massive heatsink covering the M5 die, and exhausts it silently out the back ventilation ports. Because the new TSMC process is so incredibly power efficient, the fan inside the Mac Mini will likely remain completely dormant and silent for 90% of your daily tasks. It is the ultimate stealth workstation. Now, for the most critical part of this entire leak: exact pricing, the official release date, and why you are seeing stock shortages right now. If you check the Apple Store today, you will notice shipping delays on high-end Mac Mini models. This is a classic move, deliberately slowing down older inventory production ahead of a launch. With the jump to a 512 GB base storage drive, top supply chain analysts are predicting a starting price of $699 for the M5 base model. Considering you get double the base storage, 16 GB of unified memory, and a processor that rivals full-size desktop workstations, it is quite literally the steal of the century. Expect the M5 Pro variant to sit aggressively in the $1,300 to $1,400 range. We are currently in May 2026, and all reliable leaks point to a massive launch next month at the Worldwide Developers Conference in June. WWDC has always been the ultimate stage for pro-focused hardware, and launching the M5 Mac Mini alongside massive macOS updates makes perfect strategic sense. Do not buy a Mac right now. Hold the line and wait for June. That wraps up today's exclusive deep dive on the 2026 M5 Mac Mini. Subscribe to Tap Tech, hit the like button, and we will see you in the next video.